In this video, we're going to look into a brief comparison between these platforms here, which is Lovable versus Bolt versus Replit versus Cursor. Let's look into each of these platforms. So Lovable here, it's actually an AI-powered no-code or a low-code web app builder where you like users just describe their ideas in plain language, okay? And the platform will generate full stacks apps. So pros, some of the good things or pros with this is that there is no code interface or anything. So it's great for non-technical users and for fast MVP building. And also it has exceptional speed, like the prototypes in minutes via chat interface. So it just takes seconds to get the things done. The only issue is that it has limited design control and it lacks the native mobile app output. And also you will get challenges with complexity or large scale projects, and Bolt here on the other hand here, so Bolt actually is a non-technical where you can it's a non-technical users platform where you can create full application through simple English prompts, like you just type in your idea and it will show you, and it will bring it to life, and it will show you how it's going to look like. So that's a good thing about Bolt, is that it has a very fast adaptation and it supports like full app integration from user interface to login, subscription, everything. The issue is that it's not yet stable or polished as major platforms, and it's best suited for like experimentations. It's still in that phase. Replit here on the other hand here, it's actually a browser-based collaborative code IDE that supports real-time coding and deployments. It's popular for learning, prototyping, and team projects. So the pros of these Replit is that it's like an instant cloud-based development environment where you can collaborate with multi-language support and everything. Only thing, it lacks the advanced AI tools when compared to Cursor or other platforms. Okay, so Cursor on the other hand here, Cursor here actually, it's a powerful AI enhanced IDE built on VS Code. So it offering features like autocomplete, natural language editing, and everything. It's actually designed for professional developers seeking productivity. Okay, so some of the pros of these Cursor is that, as I mentioned, it's a professional grade AI IDE. It has full code base, indexing and natural language code edits and everything. Okay, and the issue with that is that it has these occasional hallucinations where it requires like developers to oversight to validate suggestion at some points, and it also like had paid tiers that needed for heavy users, and that's the issue with this. So you can simply use Cursor if you actually need like professional developers who wants like AI help, then they can simply use this because it's best for those people. And Replit here, it's best for like coders learning or like online like collaborating. Okay, so for in that cases you can try to use Replit. Whereas Bolt here, Bolt New, it's actually a prompt based quick app creation. So if you want something like that, then go for Bolt. And Lovable here on the other hand, it's a non-coders building web MVPs. So if you're after it, then you can just use Lovable in that cases. So all depends on your use case. Hope this video was helpful.